Hello, YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Mark Lucky, and I've been practicing in my hometown of Charleston, South Carolina for the past 27 years. I've actually seen over 400,000 patient visits. Wow, it's hard to believe, but I'm quickly approaching about 500,000 actually. And throughout that time, I've learned so much about my own health and helping other people, helping my community become the healthiest they can be. I've been honored. I won best in my profession for the past 15 years, and that's been quite the honor. But what I realized is even though I had a lot of knowledge about what it took to be healthy, I was having my own problems each and every day. At the end of a busy day, after seeing anywhere from 75 patient visits to 100 patient visits, I was literally just struggling to recover. I had pain in my back, I had pain in my elbow, I was fatigued, I wasn't sleeping properly. I was doing all the things that I thought were good, but my body was just breaking down and I didn't understand why. Lots and lots of people trying to get me on their supplements, lots and lots of people trying to tell me about their latest greatest breakthrough technology. And finally, a friend of mine, a trusted friend, called me and said, "Hey, we were putting together a product, and I think you'd be really interested in it because it has everything to do with decreasing the inflammation in your body." And I was all ears at that point in time. So I went out and started researching inflammation and how inflammation affects your joints, your overall health, your heart, your blood sugar, your weight gain. All these things are controlled by the inflammation in your body. And why do some people have more inflammation than others? And then what does that inflammation cause them over the period of their lifetime? So I went out and I actually wrote a book called INFLAMMAGING: Unlocking the Secrets to Inflammation and Aging, based on the knowledge that I had been looking at. So really interesting book on how inflammation ages your body much quicker. Let's talk a little bit about aging. Aging is for those who don't know the secrets. Now, I understand that each of you have a chronological age. This is the age that your birth date is. This is when you were born, but we also have a biological age. At this point in time, I am 57 years old, but and that's my chronological age, but my biological age, is much younger because of the things that I've been doing over the past couple of years. So your chronological age is your age in years, and your biological or physiological age is the age of your cells. And you can certainly reverse those, or at least take those cells to a younger age than your chronological age. And the thing about your biological age is it's going to predict the onset of disease. Biological age is going to be affected by the toxins in your body that accelerate the inflammation. The biological age also has everything to do with lifestyle habits, and your biological age has to do with the health of your cells. And here we have a young 29-year-old, and if this young lady doesn't do anything, wear sunscreen, protect herself. And when I say wear sunscreen, I mean wear a natural sunscreen. If she doesn't take care of her face, if she doesn't do those things to her body, if she doesn't decrease the inflammation in her body, this is what her body will look like at the age of 78. We have technology in my office that can actually age your skin to show you what you need to be doing in order to preserve the health of your body, including your skin, your hair, and your nails. So, we know inflammation has been called the secret killer. It's the body's first defense when you're going through an injury, but when it starts to go awry and it starts to really just affect all your different systems, we call that a cytokine storm. It just gets out of control and starts wreaking havoc all over the body. The aging body on fire. It doesn't even have to be aging. Chronic inflammation is a major killer, not only in this country, but around the world. It's been called the secret killer. and it's also been called the fire within, which is why I wrote my book on inflammaging. Why? Because inflammation increases cardiovascular risk, joint pain and loss of mobility, abnormal growth of healthy cells. Weight gain is attributed to inflammation. You get a compromised digestive system. It's a negative feedback loop that goes back and forth. Your memory loss, mental capacity can be linked back to inflammation. Your accelerated age in your skin, your wrinkles, all can be traced back to inflammation, and of course, loss of muscle tone as well. So, every single system in your body can be affected by inflammation and the cause of it. In fact, inflammatory diseases have been recognized as the most significant cause of death around the world. So, what I plan on doing with this channel over the next few months to years is teaching you things to do to decrease the inflammation in your body, foods to eat to decrease the inflammation in your body, supplements to take to decrease the inflammation in your body, and healthy lifestyle tips. So if you're someone who wants to learn more about health, you're someone who wants to learn more about how you can be better, look better, feel better, and overall have a healthy life, go ahead and click the follow button below and I'll share some more videos. You guys enjoy your day.